Is your T-Mobile TV box not turning on? Don't panic. The most common cause is a power supply problem. First, inspect the power cord and adapter for any visible damage like frayed wires or signs of overheating. Next, test the outlet by plugging in another device to ensure it's working. If possible, try using a different compatible adapter. T-Mobile often uses 12-volt DC adapters. If the box briefly powers on but then shuts off, this could indicate a short circuit, requiring you to contact T-Mobile support for a hardware replacement. Remember to keep your box in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating and potential power draw spikes. According to T-Mobile data from 2025, almost half of all box issues are power-related, so these simple checks can often get you back up and running quickly. If the power supply isn't the issue, try resetting your T-Mobile box. There are two main types of resets, soft and hard. A soft reset is the simpler option. Just unplug the box from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes the system and often resolves minor software glitches. For more persistent issues, try a hard reset. Locate the reset button, usually on the back or in a pinhole. With the box plugged in, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This restores the box to its factory settings, so you'll need to reset up your preferences. Always unplug the box before physically interacting with it to avoid any electrical hazards. T-Mobile's customer data indicates that resets solve roughly 80% of minor issues. If problems persist after trying both resets, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance.